At isang mapagpalang araw muli sa inyo, bayang karerista, at narito na naman tayo sa Silver Bullet Productions, kung saan ngayong araw ay isang malaki at talaga nga namang kapanapanabik na karera ang ating matutunghayan dahil ngayong araw pa lamang, race number 1 pa lamang, ang 3-year-old imported local challenge race ay paglalabanan agad ng dalawang undefeated na kabayo, imported runners na sina Morally at Anytime Anywhere with 1A Tease the Moon. Siyempre kasali rin dyan ang kabayo ni Big Boss James Anthony Rabano, numero 5 Dream Girl, at si Petit Fusey, at na-scratch nga yung dalawang local runners. At ngayong araw rin na ito ay matutunghayan natin ang 2025 Philracom Second Leg Triple Crown Stakes Race, 2025 Philracom Second Leg Hopeful Stakes Race, at yung 2025 Philracom Second Leg 3-year-old Locally Bred Stakes Race, kung saan 1,800 meters ang distansya at wala pang kahit anumang records ang ating mga kabayo sa ganitong distansya. Kaya naman, samahan ninyo ako ngayong araw at tignan natin ang mga kaganapan dito lamang sa Silver Bullet Productions.
There, off and racing. It's a perfect start for all contenders. Morally, Jans for Equigas out in the early stage, then moving up to the inside. He's Anytime Anywhere in between runners. He's Petit Poseidon along with back the Dream Girl and Tease the Moon. Round the 3/4 mile distance, the lead now belongs to Tease the Moon. It's Tease the Moon takes the lead by about a length over Dream Girl. And down the backstretch run, it's 2 and 3s are fighting it out for the leader. It's Anytime Anywhere, leads by 3/4 of a length. Over Petit Posey in second, a length back in third is Morally. Then 4 lengths with a back in fourth position is Tease the Moon, and Dream Girl is racing and behind them. And they move to the fourth turn, and it's still Anytime Anywhere, still dictates terms by Hapolenka. Racing on the outside is Morally. There is still Anytime Anywhere, and Morally moves up to grab the lead against Anytime Anywhere, trying to get close enough in 30s, Tease the Moon, and down the stretch they come. Morally by a length and a half over Anytime Anywhere, Tease the Moon giving a challenge on the outside, but it's still Morally. Morally under Mark A. Alvarez wins the 3-year-old imported local challenge. Close for second for couple runners. Tease the Moon, Anytime Anywhere, Dream Girl, Petit Posey last to check in.
Ang ating Honorable Chairman ng Philippine Racing Commission, walang iba kung hindi si Honorable Chairman Aurelio Rely De Leon. Good afternoon po, Chairman Rely.
Good afternoon.
Chairman Rely, ngayong hapon po na ito ay ipinagdiriwang po natin at mapapanood po natin yung 2025 Philracom Second Leg Triple Crown Stakes Race, ganoon din yung second leg ng Hopeful Stakes Race at yung second leg ng 3-year-old Locally Bred Stakes Race. Nung nakaraan po kasi, Chairman, medyo parang nag-trending tayo Facebook nung nakita po kayo na kinakausap niyo po yung mga hinete doon sa Henry Coanco Cup sa Facebook po. So meron dong mga comments, Chairman, na isa po ba itong paraan para mapanatili po natin ang integridad ng pakarera po?
Actually, I remind them that they should always do their best for the public because first and foremost, we owe it to the public. Kung ano yung dapat magustuhan ng publiko, yun ang dapat pakita nila. Unang-una, pagbutihin nila at sana hindi magkaroon ng controversial na sarahan, abukan, ay paglalutsa para mas maganda tignan.
At talagang napakagandang pagpapayo po yun sa ating mga hinete, Chairman Rely. Ito naman pong mga mapapanood natin ngayon na second leg Triple Crown, Chairman Rely. Ano po yung naging yung mga trainer po ba, Chairman Rely, ay nakakausap niyo?
Nakakausap din namin. Sinabi din namin na pagbilinan yung mga hinete to fight and to win but in fair and honest way of winning. Kinakailangan talaga yung honest and way. Hindi pwede nagsasarahan. nakakasama sa karera yun eh. Dapat, ano lang, sports lang dapat. Oh.
Thank you so much, Chairman Relly. At sa pangatlong leg naman po, Chairman Relly, pwede po ba nating maimbitahan yung ating mga manonood at mananaya po?
Yeah, again, we're inviting all the bettors to watch and bet reasonably, no? Lagi namin pinopromote yung responsible betting sa lahat ng mananaya at enjoy lang natin ang karera. At salamat po sa mga suporta nyo sa gusto ng karera.
At ayan, magandang araw ulit sa inyo, Bayang Karerista. Ngayon ay nagpapasalamat tayo kay Chairman Relly De Jong sa kanyang pamamalakad po sa ating Philippine Racing Commission at talaga nga namang suportado ng ating mga hinete, ng ating mga trainer at nating mga horse owner po ang Philippine Racing Commission. Muli po, maraming salamat Chairman Relly. Hindi ko na po patatagalin at marami po tayong mga pakakaabangan ngayong araw. So magbabalik po kami, Bayang Karerista, dito lamang sa Silver Bullet Production.
Okay.
Horses out for the second leg, Triple Lumberbred Stakes Race, Lily Bell, that's so immediately El Jaleo outside to take the lead. It's now El Jaleo, Lily Bell in second, and in third is Big Left over, Blueberry Bell, Tasha in fifth position, then followed by Sweet Andre, running by the Confidence Game, Orient Express, Supreme Dynasty comes next, Security inside, Ollie outside, just a touch, Baby Humble, Black Widow, and sing a new song. Is the early trailer, Red and still El Jaleo, the leader by about 2 lengths. Lily Bell still in second, Big Left over, running by middle third. Alongside fourth comes Blueberry Bell, and fifth position, Sweet Andre. Tasha comes next, Orient Express, Security inside. Already inside, Confidence Game, here comes Supreme Dynasty, Baby Havelock, just a touch, Black Widow, and sing a new song. Is still racing in last, Red and still El Jaleo, Violin gonna have Lily Bell still in second, Brig left over. Here comes Sweep Andre, Blueberry Bell, Tasha also coming closer in sixth. Seventh is Security inside, Orient Express, then Oriel is Joseph Dolce. Red still El Jaleo, Lily Bell, Oriel, and Brig left over. Sweep Andre now coming closer in third, Tasha in fourth position. Security inside, just a touch, Orient Express, Bailey Hubbard. Lily Bell takes the lead. El Jaleo is running by the Sweep Andre, threatening danger now on the outside. RSL Lily Bell, Sweep Andre, El Jaleo as the field turns for over. Sweep Andre on the outside. Lily Bell is running by the leader. Sweep Andre, Lily Bell by the leader. Lily Bell is running by the Sweep Andre on the outside. Sweep Andre, Lily Bell, entering the baseline. A long shot. Sweep Andre second. Lily Bell then comes just a touch. Security inside.
Ah, there. Oh, District 1 moving up now is Diamond Power. Diamond Power in front, Balang Kanaya putting up now for the outside is Elena Bella. And as they pass the winning post now, it's still Diamond Power. Leads Balang Kanaya for Elena Bella. Down for the inside, Easy Money. While the outside now, 5 wide, is at 11, the Sagatulina. And as they leave the straight now, you see Diamond Power, Easy Money down for the inside. Elena Bell now for the outside. Third and down in fourth, District 1 moving up now in fifth, Robotic Clay. Then followed by Flaming June, who's racing in sixth position, down in 7 now. Is entry number 7, that's High Octane, and I'll say Will down the back. Also leader, that's Diamond Power, leads by some 5 now, followed by Easy Money, who's racing second, and followed by entry number 4, and that's Elena Bell, and I'll say Paris Hartman now, Diamond Power, which lines leader, followed by Easy Money. Then came Elena Bell, here comes District 1, then followed by Flaming June. Robotic Clay is next on line, I'm in sixth position. Here comes the number 6, that's Natasha is seeing the light now, and as they pass the last 400. It is still Diamond Power moving up District 1 for the outside, and as they turn for home, District 1 Diamond Power, Flaming June, Natasha. Now for the outside, Robotic Clay, and down to the finish now, District 1 still in front. Flaming June, Diamond Power, Robotic Clay, a long shot now for the outside. District 1 Robotic Clay for the outside, Flaming June, but it's still District 1 Robotic Clay, Flaming June. A very scout and followed by High Octane.
Horses out as they battle for the 2025 Piracom Second Night Triple Crown Stakes Race. Binalot AU gets away immediately. Audience he's so fine. Constant over in the middle portion. Pecot and Lady Blackjack alongside Barry King. Collis right. Senor Ibarra zoom in. Midnight Talent transform Miss the early Twitter into the turn. They gallop for the second leg.
He's so fine, Blackjack now fighting it out for the leader. And in third comes Binalot AU, Parade King alongside fourth, Constatic Oper. Collis right, Senor Ibarra, Pecotin Lady comes next. Running by the Midnight Bell, transform and zoom in now, running at the tail of the field. Inside the back, now we have Blackjack takes the lead by a length. He's so fine, back in second.
And in third still is Binalot AU, Parade King in fourth, Pecotin Lady. Collis right, Constatic Offer, Midnight Bell, Senor Ibarra, transform and zooming na. RSL Blackjack, he's so fine, still in second, Binalot AU, Parade King, Constatic Offer, coming closer in fifth. Together with Collis right, Senor Ibarra, Blackjack, he's so fine, once again, Danari inside, Binalot
coming closer in third position, Parade King. Midnight Bell, a long shot, coming closer in fourth. Transform in sixth position. Forerunners fighting around for the lead. Binalot, AU, is on five. Midnight Bell, transform in fourth. Parade King, it's now Binalot, AU, Midnight Bell in second. Nari outside, transform. Binalot, AU, vaya Valarenga, have Midnight Bell, transform. Parade King is on the outside. And down to the finish. LSL Binalot, AU, Midnight Bell. Entering the finish line. 2 down, 1 to go for Binalot, AU. Second is Midnight Bell close. College right, transform.
Tunghayan natin ang katatapos lamang na 2025 second leg Triple Crown Stakes Race at pinanalunan nga ng nanalong kabayo noong unang first leg na walang iba kundi si Binalot AU na sinakyan ng ating napakagaling na hinete, ang Black Superman na tinagurian, walang iba Jockey Mark Angelo Alvarez. Congratulations, Jockey Mark!
Thank you, sir.
Ngayong mga oras na ito, Jockey Mark, ay nakakatatlong panalo ka na.
Yes, sir.
Mula race number 1, race number 4 at back-to-back nga to race number 5 with Binalot AU. Nadagdagan ng distansya itong ating second leg, 1,800 meters. Meron ka bang ibang ginawang strategy o meron bang ginawang ibang pag-iensayo dito kay Binalot AU dahil medyo wala pa tayong takbo ng 1,800, di ba? Ngayon lang.
Sa ensayo, wala naman kami binago. Usually naman, kung anong paghahanda ng trainer ko nung nakaraan, ganun pa rin ang paghahanda. Pero sa strategy, ang kagandahan sa stable nito, walang pressure kasi. Kumbaga, binibigyan nila ang para manibela para sa akin.
Ikaw na ang bahala.
Ako ang bahala. Yun ang kagandahan na pinahawak nila sa akin si Binalot AU. So, binigay nila yung 100% na tiwala nila sa akin.
Sa'yo.
Ng trainer, pati ng connection ng horse owner ng stable. Para at least kung paano ipapanalo sa kabayo. So, hindi, kumbaga, kung ano man mangyari, ako decision ko yun.
Diskarte mo.
Diskarte ko.
Parang ganun din naman nung unang first leg, nasa ikatlong pwesto ka rin. Kagaya ngayon, nasa ikatlong pwesto ka rin. Hanggang sa dumako na tayo sa last 400, doon ka na unti-unting gumagalaw. Ngayon din, ganun din ang napanood natin.
Oo,
no?
ganun
So,
din.
hindi ka talaga nangialam doon sa harapan.
Pero may point din kasi ng alisan, pwede ko nang kunin yung harap eh. Kasi, pero nung nakita kong
He's so fine.
which is na, ang expect ko talaga si So Fine,
Bandera.
kukuha niya
Oo.
unahan. Hindi ko na-expect si
Blackjack.
Blackjack na
Oo.
sasali. So, ang ginawa ko, pumreno agad ako.
Kasi nung huling takbo ni Blackjack, galing siya sa likuran eh.
No,
Pang
diba?
10 posisyon
Nagbabago
siya.
eh.
Oo,
Nagbabago.
ngayon nagulat din tayong lahat na nasa harapan siya.
Oo,
at nakisama nga dito kay
Yun ang
He's So
kagandahan
Fine.
din, sir, ng option na binigyan nila sa akin yung manibela.
Pero matanong ko lang, kung sakaling wala si Blackjack sa harapan, isasama mo ba si Binalot?
Hindi naman
kay
sa totally
He's So Fine?
sasama ng para lumakas ang area namin. Siguro didikit ako
Ang
para
tabay
at least andun na
Ang
rin ako
tabay lang.
agad. Oo, kumbaga up dito ka lang, huwag ka masyadong lumayo. Ang ganun.
Ayun. So talagang
Pwede magbago
abang-abang
eh.
lang.
Oo,
kumbaga,
pwede magbago.
Ayun,
Depende
so,
sa kwartos.
Ayun. So maraming salamat Jockey M.A. Alvarez. So ngayon naman darating tayo sa ikatlong yugto ng ating Triple Crown Stakes Race which is 2,000 meters ano. Ano kaya sa tingin mo ang ilalaro naman ngayon ni Ivana sa 2,000 meters?
Sigurado
Si Binalot AU pala.
Binalot sigurado medyo nakatitig na sila sa akin dyan. Kasi hindi na biro yung yung ginawa ng kabayo ko, nakakadalawang leg na ako. So baka sa tatlo. Siyempre, alam nila na hindi biro yung galing din ni Binalot AU. Kaya siyempre kailangan ko paghandaan yung mga ganun.
At siguro ganun rin naman yun, no? Nasa sayo yung diskarte ulit dahil kagaya na sinabi mo, habla stable, talagang ibinigay sa'yo ng 100% ang tiwala.
Kailangan
Diskarte.
split decision eh. Kung paano ka mag-switch ng decision mo kung doon sa habang tumatakbo yung kabayo, kailangan maglalaro ka. Kaya lang. Ganun.
Split second ang ang konting pagkakamali, di ba? Marami ang pwedeng mangyari.
One big mistake, one mistake.
Pwedeng
Game over.
mawala.
Game over.
Pwedeng umokay, pwedeng hindi umokay.
okay.
So anyway, maraming salamat Jackie M.A. Alvarez. At baka may gusto kang nais batiin sa mga fans mo, sa mga nakasubaybay sa'yo ngayong talagang nasa peak ka ng ating Triple Crown Series.
Salamat sa lahat na sumusuporta sa bayang karerista at karera sa ating bansa, lalo na ngayon, lalong lumalakas ang karera. Salamat kay Chairman Relly De Leon, napakaganda ng ginagawa ninyong pakarera. Tsaka dito sa karerang kategory ng Triple Crown, sa bumubuo nitong Triple Crown, napakaganda po ng nagawa ninyo dito sa atin. Maraming salamat po. Tuloy lang naman po sa pagsuporta.
Ayan, so thank you so much Jackie M.A. Alvarez at muli, congratulations.
Salamat, sir.
At panibagong tropeyo na naman ang madadagdag sa iyong koleksyon. At yun lamang Bayang Karerista, magkita-kita tayo muli dito lamang sa Silver Bullet Production. At ayan Bayang Karerista, natunghayan nga natin ang mga kapanapanabik na pakarera ngayong araw at congratulations muli sa mga nanalo sa ating mga highlight races for today. Unang-una na sa pagkakapanalo ni Morally sa race number 1 kung saan ang 3-year-old imported and local challenge race ay napanganalunan nga ni Morally, ridden by M.A. Alvarez. Ganun din syempre yung ating 2025 Philracom second leg 3-year-old locally bred stakes race, ang dehadong si Swift Andre, numero 12 na sinakyan ni Jackie JB Bakaykay ang unang tumawid sa meta. At yung atin namang 2025 Philracom second leg hopeful stakes race na pinanalunan ng walang iba, numero 3 District 1 with John Alvin Guse. Congratulations din po sa inyo. At ang pinakainabangan ng lahat, yung ating 2025 Philracom second leg Triple Crown stakes race kung saan nasungkit nga ang ikalawang panalo ni Vinalot AU na sinakyan muli ni Jackie M.A. Alvarez. So congratulations sa lahat ng mga nanalo at congratulations muli kay Vinalot AU at sa kanyang connection. Pakaabangan natin yan sa third leg ng Triple Crown Stakes Races. Dito lamang yan sa Silver Bullet Production. So sa ngalan ng aking partner na si Lucky Lea, panoorin niyo po muli kami at suportahan ang aming Facebook page at YouTube channel muli dito lamang sa Silver Bullet Production. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Brian Centeno. Kita-kita tayo muli, Bayang Karerista.